All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a windproof fire wick that you can easily put out just like that with items that I got from Dollar Tree. Let's get into it. So the items that you would need for this, of course, you would need your natural rope, you need some wax, some Vaseline, and your little pot to melt it in, and also a tube that you want to put your natural rope through. I'm also going to use this Sharpie marker to show you that you don't really need a metal piping to make this. So first, what you want to do is you want to cut your rope about 1 foot long. I'm gonna cut 2 pieces because I'm going to be making 2. So now that you got your 2 pieces, set them right there to the side. You want to melt your Vaseline. Okay, now that your Vaseline is liquefied, you want to round your rope and just let it soak down in there. Now that we let that soak, just want to take it out, set it right here to the side and let it dry. The rest of your Vaseline, just want to pour it right back in there. Use it again for the next time. All right, so next thing we want to do is we want to melt our wax. Now that the wax is liquefied, we want to take the rope that we soaked in Vaseline and we want to do the same thing with the wax. We want to take it out and let it dry. All right, now that these have dried, the only thing left to do is what you want to do. Just want to take it. You want to slide it right inside of there. And what I like to do is I put a knot on the end of it just so it won't slide all the way through. All right, same thing. I just drop a knot on this side right here to stop it from fraying and, like I say, from coming all the way through. So, boom. So what you want to do when you get ready to light these, you just want to fluff up the ends right there. Just like that. It's windproof. And to put it out, do the same thing. Snuff it. Same thing. Just like that. And snuff it out, and also start it with your flashlight. Just like that. Alright gang, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to share it with a friend. Wild Boy out. Easy peasy.